Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a green screen to your videos in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. Now, you can do this for both videos and photos, and I'm just going to be overlaying this green photo over this video here. And as you can see, I'll be trying to remove the background so that this video is visible. Now, what we're going to do to actually edit the photo, go to the edit page, make sure everything is overlapping perfectly as you would like. For example, I'll just add this and overlap it to the end of the entire video. And now that everything is all peachy in this part, you're going to go into the effects tab while this image is selected. While you're here, just click on the effects tab and you'll get to this node page. What you want to do is select the media input node, click Control Space, and then search for the chroma keyer. This will add the chroma keyer in between the media input and media output, and you just want to have the chroma keyer selected and then click on the surface you want to remove or on the color. As you can see, it won't remove everything, so you can just click and drag and select what you want to remove, and you can go in as much detail or in as little detail as you want. It really depends on you. It really is just a matter of patience and how high quality you want your image to be. As you can see, you can go into very large detail, and all those colors will be deleted from the image. And now let me just delete these here details that are not needed, these dots that are kind of ruining everything right now. And as you can see, they are deleted and it looks kind of okay now. And if I go back to the edit page, as you can see, it is completely overlaid over my video, and if I play it, the green screen will be overlaid perfectly. You can also do this in videos. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is everything you want to be in the foreground needs to be above everything in the background. So the very bottom is the background, the very top is the foreground, and you just need to keep in mind the composition of the video so that your green screen video or picture is in front of the video you want to display. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.